Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Taking a look at Nikola. So coming down, I haven't done one in a couple days, stopping at our 35.28 level, then heading down today, gapping below our 32.55 levels. That becomes resistance. Coming all the way down to like 87.5% retracement, 29.43 area, and if you come over here and follow that, so we have a 8th harmonic there, and this was prior. If you look all the way over here, prior resistance, becoming support, again area, you see right here. So that's a pretty key area. Let's update this now. We did get a pausing bar here for next week, and let's jump out to the daily area. Okay, let me zoom in. So daily area next week, we are getting very, very oversold. If it does continue lower, next areas are about 25.44 to 26.71. You can fine tune this to using the shorter term charts, but I'd be more focused just below the 26 level, closer to 25.50 area. At the 21.61, that's coming in with this low here. That was before the big ramp up. Remember, vertical up, vertical down, and the 200. So there's a lot of key support should it head lower. I'm going to jump back to that 4-hour chart because we are getting very oversold on a rally now. We have a gap. So if we get above 32.35, going to start watching for the gap fill up to about 33.91. And then with the declining rotation zone, if we get above there, about 35, and then if we get above there, I'll start watching for 38 area. So that's what's key. Again, when I said vertical up, vertical down, generally it resets the move where the move started. Here was the move that started it up, so we're narrowing in on that area. But again, it is overdone. On any bigger rally, you see here, we can easily revisit the declining rotation zone. So 4-hour bearish mode, but definitely oversold. Daily oversold and in bearish mode. So if it were to retrace all the way to the rotation zone, we'd be looking for a retest of the 40 area. I'd probably bump it down to 39 because this will keep dropping, but that's the key area on any rally I'd be watching. Again, you still have this gap that would fill. So there are some upside magnets, but I'm going to wait for definitely price to either form a bottoming pattern, like a divergence, like a double bottom, or to get above Friday's high. Let's see, weekly mode. See, now it's closed below the rotation zone on a weekly basis. So weekly is back to neutral, and daily and 4-hour are both in bearish mode. So this is where if you are only trading from the bullish side, we wait for extra confirmation. We just don't try to grab a bottom. We wait for it to show us a bottoming pattern before we start getting aggressive. And then remember, your targets are those rotation zone targets on the 4-hour and the daily. So we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.